Out of the storm too.
Yeah, Kelly, and it's hard to believe that an area like Placerville and then just up the road a couple miles, they're going to get snowfall in a spot like Camino there along Highway 50 as that snow level really dives down the hill starting tonight and into early parts of tomorrow. Yes, I'm going to walk you through all the snow planning and what you need to know. Here's a live look right now in Rancho Cordova, just cloud-filled skies, no rain here along Highway 50 corridor yet. Temperatures are in the lower 50s under that cloud layer. 36 Lake Tahoe. Have been seeing just a couple of flakes fly at some of those higher peaks in the mountains. And in the last 3 hours, a bulk of the rain and snow has been really kind of north of Interstate 80 up around Plumas County there. You can see that there is a little bit of light rainfall in Grass Valley down into Lake of the Pines. Colfax, you may have some damp pavement as a few showers just brushed into your neck of the woods. And even here around Wheatland, just an isolated shower moving through, and that may touch down into Lincoln here in the next few moments. A little bit of light snow flurry activity here as you go from about Cisco Grove and on up the hill towards Donner Summit. Winter storm warning, it's in effect today all the way through Thursday night. It is covering elevations above 4,000 feet. And again, this is going to go through Thursday for these areas shaded in the pink. That means you, Quincy, and up around Chester and Lake Almanor. Solid snowfall expected this afternoon and through the evening and into the day Thursday. We're expected between this time frame to pick up 2 to 4 feet at the pass level. So I can't stress enough that while the morning, that window to drive over those passes should be okay, very low impact in terms of the snow. It is tonight and early tomorrow where we could see the heaviest snow and wind impact. Speaking of the wind, let's walk through the day ahead and when the winds really start to ramp up. It's getting a little gusty already over the Truckee and Donner Summit area. And then once we hit noon, gusting close to 40 miles an hour in the mountains there around Truckee and Tahoe. Winds in the valley also equally gusty. 32-mile-per-hour gusts possible in Stockton at lunchtime, up to 24 around Napa and Fairfield, over 20-mile-per-hour gusts in Sacramento, closer to 30 in Marysville. Once we go through about 6, 7 o'clock tonight, we'll probably likely see kind of the height of the wind event, and then by 8 o'clock in the evening, those winds are greatly going to dial back down. By 3 o'clock today with Futurecast, here's that good soaking rainfall for the valley that Kelly was mentioning. Once we get to 8 o'clock tonight, some of that heavier bands of rain will start to ease a little bit. Snow starts to come down in the mountains, and that's when that level could tank down to as low as 3,000 feet tonight and into early tomorrow. We could still see some periods of downpours tomorrow morning with the morning commute, and more widely scattered showers anticipated as we get into your Thursday in general. It's also going to be noticeably cooler. It was 70 yesterday, guys. Today the high is 58. Wet and windy afternoon ahead. Thursday, some scattered showers along with Friday. And then it looks like we will see a little dry period.